Here's a company turning industrial waste into billion-dollar raw materials, quietly powering aluminum, steel, and EV batteries. While most investors chase buzzwords, this firm operates in the shadows, globally. This is the story of Rain Industries Limited, India's hidden carbon giant with global reach. Rain Industries started in 1974 as Rain Cements. But unlike many who stick to legacy sectors, Rain made a bold pivot. In 2007, it acquired Rain Key Carbon in the US, a leader in calcined petroleum coke, CPC. Then, in 2013, it bought Rüttgers, a German coal tar distiller. With these, Rain became one of the world's top 2 players in the carbon chemicals space. This wasn't just expansion, it was vertical integration at a global scale. Rain's business is a fascinating example of industrial alchemy. It operates in 3 key segments. Small diamond carbon products, 60% plus revenue. Converts petroleum byproducts into CPC, essential for making aluminum. Produces coal tar pitch, CTP, used in graphite electrodes and anodes. Advanced materials. Specialty chemicals used in resins, tires, paints, and now, battery materials. Products used in green energy applications and automotive coatings. Small Diamond Cement, India, operates in South India as Priya Cement, not the biggest revenue driver, but provides local market stability. So when you use aluminum foil, drive over a tar road, or use a lithium battery, Rain's inputs are quietly involved. What gives Rain its edge? It doesn't dig, it transforms. Rain takes waste byproducts from oil refineries and steel plants and recycles them into high-value products. This makes it cost-efficient, environmentally sustainable, globally diversified. And it's not just manufacturing. Rain owns logistics assets, ports, power plants, and R&D units, giving it full control over cost and innovation. But even giants stumble. In 2018, China imposed stricter environmental norms, which reduced CPC demand. Add to that soaring crude prices, high freight costs, regulatory scrutiny on carbon emissions, debt overhang from earlier acquisitions. Result? Margins shrunk, net profit fell, and Rain's stock tumbled from 400 rupees plus to below 100 rupees. Rain is now pivoting again, this time, to green and future-ready sectors. Developing carbon materials for Li-ion battery anodes, targeting EVs and energy storage, investing in waste heat recovery, low-carbon fuels, and advanced distillation technologies. Plus, demand for aluminum, driven by infrastructure, aviation, solar, and EVs, is rebounding. This plays directly into Rain's carbon and chemical supply chain. Rain is cyclical. It rises and falls with the global industrial economy. But for patient investors, this is a classic value contrarian story. Rain is profitable, export-oriented, low valuation vs global peers, transitioning into green tech materials. It's not a rocket ship, but it's a powerful engine, just waiting to be recognized again. From cement to carbon, and now to clean energy materials, Rain Industries shows how Indian companies can evolve on a global scale. Subscribe to @stocks_markets_economy for more such deep dives into India's hidden stock market gems. Because the best opportunities often wear dust, not diamonds.